Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to build passive income with faceless videos. So for example, if you want to create a channel and you want to do this faceless video or passive income with faceless videos, you need Bandicam, you need ChatGPT, or let's just say Canva for tutorial. So for ChatGPT, you can ask any idea. For example, if you want to create tutorials for faceless videos, actually there are tons of ideas for faceless videos. And one of this is, of course, the tutorial for technology or any application. So for example, if you have already found that specific niche or idea or title or topics that you want. Let's just say if it's phone tutorials, then ChatGPT will provide you samples of titles for phone tutorials. So let's just say you will be creating a tutorial for how to make Instagram Reels using Canva. So in order for you to do that, you need Canva, you need Bandicam or OBS Studio, anything that can record your entire screen for your PC or your laptop or your phone. Now go to Canva. Let's just say you are now starting to record everything. So for example, you want the people to know how to create Instagram Reels. So again, you need Bandicam. You need to simply download this one right here. This one is for free. So once done, then you need to run this as administrator and install this program or tool. Now, let's just say you have started your recording. As you can see, I'm now recording everything here in my entire screen. So I will go back to Canva, go to create a design, look for Instagram Reels since you will be making tutorial on how to create Instagram Reels. Now you will let the people see how are you going to create that one. So of course you have to go to Canva, go to design, and then you can ask ChatGPT for any famous quotations or lines that you can use for your Instagram Reels. So here you can ask ChatGPT for whatever you want. So famous friendship quotations or famous relationship quotations, everything is up to you. Now, once done, then you can get this, you can copy this and then paste this quotes into your Canva. So let's just say this one, copy, go back to your Canva, double tap, paste, and you can change the font style and font color if you want. Now, you can also copy the author or author's name, go back to ChatGPT, copy, and then paste it right here. So in Canva, we're going to show the people how are you going to change the font style, the font size, the font color, because you are now showing the people how to create Instagram Reel using Canva. So this is what it looks like. So of course you have to tap on effects, tap on the font style, font size, font color. You can also show to the people that you can change the background if they want to, the background video or the image background for your Instagram Reels. And you can also show the people here on your tutorial that you can add music to your Instagram Reels, or they can just choose the music in their Instagram application, like viral music or viral audio. Aside from that, you can also tell the people, or you can add to your tutorials that here you can go to elements if they want to change the video or the background video. So you can just basically go to elements and search for that specific keyword or any image that you want or video that you want, and then drag this, tap on share, go to download, make sure this one is MP4, and then tap on download. So that's it. That's how easy it is. Now you can go to your Instagram and then post this reel. So that's how easy it is. All you have to do is to just basically show them your tutorial. Now, another thing, if you are using CapCut or for those who want faceless video, for example, like tutorial, it's also important to have this CapCut because here you can add voiceover. So if you want to do a step-by-step tutorial, I strongly recommend to use CapCut too. All you have to do is to import the video that you have created or even the reels that you have created. You can add a voiceover here if you want. or you can also add a music from CapCut. So let's just say if you want to add a voiceover to your Instagram, like you don't want to use any uh, background music, you just want to voice over, you have to add something like you want to read the quotations or whatsoever, then you can add a voiceover right here or add a background sound. Also in CapCut, you can add the screen record video, the step-by-step procedure on how to create this Instagram reel, since that is your main uh, niche for your faceless video. So you can also do that right here. You can export this. So basically that's it. So for example, if you want to add also, like if you want to highlight something, you can go to stickers here. You can add effects, you can add arrows, circles, or whatever it is. So this is for the Instagram reel. Now, if you want to post, for example, step-by-step tutorial to your YouTube channel, you need to import the screen record, the video that you have created using the Bandicam. So you have to click this one and then voice over everything here, the step-by-step procedure on how to create Instagram Reels. And then make sure the ratio is 16 and 9. Then after that, export and post this to your YouTube channel. And basically, that's it. So these are the ways and how to build passive income with faceless videos. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.